what is this?
It's my deer.
Yeah, we already talked about that. So can you tell me something about the insects?
Yes, insects are small animals that are found all over the world. They can survive at any places where food is available, from deserts to forests to cold regions. They are the largest groups of animals on the earth. And like ladybird beetle is the insect which feeds on the insect that damage crops of a farmer. Hence, ladybird beetle is called the friends of the farmer. Why is ladybird beetle called the friend of the farmer? Why? Do you know ladybug the beetle is called the friend of the farmer because it feeds on the insects that damage the crops. And silkworm skips silkworm, silk fiber, and silverfish damage clothes and books. Termites damage wooden objects. Cockroaches and flies carry germs and transmit diseases. You know some more? The body of an insect is made up of three main parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. The head consists of two eyes and a mouth. If you observe the head carefully with a magnifying glass, you will notice two hairy parts located between the eyes. These are called the antennae. The antennae help the insect to smell and feel things, so they are also called feelers. The thorax has wings and legs. All insects have 6 legs. Most of them have 2 pairs of wings and can fly. Some insects cannot fly. The abdomen contains important organs such as the heart and the stomach. There are small holes called sparkles that run through the sides of the abdomen. Insects breathe through sparkles. Insects usually have a tough and hard skin. Myth and fact: a spider is an insect. Fact: a spider is not an insect. The body of the spider consists of 2 parts. It has 8 legs. It belongs to different groups of animals. Are you finding interesting thing about the insects? Let's learn more about them. All insects lay eggs and give birth to young ones. Butterfly and moths lay eggs on plants. Mosquito lay eggs on the surface of stagnant water. Do you know what stagnant water is? A stagnant water is which looks like a small pond, but it doesn't move. It only looks like ice in Iceland. Bees lay eggs in a hive. The eggs hatch into young ones. The young ones grow into adults. These different stages the life cycle of an insect to form the life cycle of an insect. A butterfly has a unique life cycle. A tiny worm-like caterpillar is called a caterpillar, hatches from the egg of a butterfly. The caterpillar eats plenty of leaves and grows very fast. When it is fully grown, it makes a structure called a cocoon around itself. The caterpillar at this stage is called the pupa. It stays in the cocoon without eating or moving and turns into a butterfly. When the butterfly comes out of the cocoon, it is a fully grown insect and it eats the pupa, and it eats the pupa stage when the butterfly comes out, and its wings are small and wet. So when the butterfly eats the pupa stage, its wings become big and strong. So that's it. That's a unique life cycle of a butterfly. Now let's learn about the social insects. Some insects live in colonies. They're called social insects. Ants, termites, and honeybees are social insects. Ants live in anthills and honeybees live in beehives. The members in the colony of social insects have specialized roles to play. Usually there's a queen that lays eggs. The other members in the colony are workers or soldiers who work and look after the young ones, gather food and protect the colony. They are harmful insects. There are many insects that cause harm to plants and animals. Insects that cause diseases and damage things are called pests. Oh, we should learn about harmful insects that cause harm. Do you know there are many insects that cause harm to plants and animals? Insects that cause diseases and damage things are called pests. Lice, bedbugs, and mosquitoes suck the blood of animals, including human beings. Mosquitoes cause diseases such as malaria and dengue, yellow fever. Malaria is caused by the bite of the female Anopheles mosquito, and dengue is caused by the bite of Aedes mosquito. Do you know what's the Aedes mosquito? Maybe you don't know it's a male or a female, but it could be also to female, but it could also to be a male. Now insects bites can be painful. When an insect bites us, it could be painful and it could be very hurting. Cockroaches and flies carry germs and transmit diseases. Termites damage wooden objects. Locusts cause extensive damage to crops. Usually there could be millions of locusts who can cause damage to the crops. Silverfish damage clothes and books. Ants, flies and cockroaches spoil food. Controlling pests are insects can be controlled by the use of insecticides. You know what sides are? Kill. These are chemicals that kill the insects. However, insecticides cause damage to the environment. Along with harmful insects, they may also kill some useful insects. To prevent this, various other measures can be taken to control pests. Mosquitoes lay eggs in stagnant water. Therefore, we must not allow water to collect in our surroundings. All drains and garbage bins should be kept covered. We should keep our surroundings clean. We should adopt biological method of pest control. This involves the use of harmless organisms to control the population of insects that cause damage. For example, ladybird beetles feed on insects that damage plants. Therefore, ladybird can be introduced to control such insects. Some fish eat the eggs of mosquitoes. Such fish can be introduced water bodies to control mosquitoes. Now, let's do the science buzz. The science buzz says that there's a doctor, British doctor named Ronald Ross, was a British doctor who served in the Indian Army. He was interested in finding out what caused malaria. He dissected hundreds of mosquitoes in a small laboratory before he finally discovered the organism present in the female Anopheles mosquito. This discovery helps to develop methods to fight the disease. Let's learn about the remedies for insect bites. Insect bites can cause itching, swelling, and rashes. To get some relief, we can do the following. Rub an ice cube over the affected area. Apply calamine lotion to reduce itching. Consult a doctor if necessary. Now let's learn about useful insects. We often tend to look at the insects as pests that they cause harm to us and to plants. However, many kinds of insects are useful too. Honeybees collect nectar from the flowers and store it in the beehive. So, the nectar gets converted into the honey, which is very nutritious. It is a rare food item that never gets spoiled. We also get wax from the beehive. Wax means which we use to get out hairy parts which are present in our body. Now, we get silk fiber from silkworms that hatches out the eggs of silk moths. Some insects feed on other insects that are harmful to us. For example, dragonflies feed on mosquitoes. Ladybird beetles feed on insects that damage crops. Hence, they're called friends of the farmer. Guys, this is the last line. The dung beetle feeds on the animal dung. When the cow does potty, the dung beetle eats it. This helps to keep our surroundings clean. Now I'm giving you exercises worksheet. You will do it carefully, or if you feel very hard, say to me that it's very hard, it's very hard. Okay? I'm giving you exercise worksheet. Now the first question is, what is the middle part of an insect body known as? You are having 4 options. When I say what is the middle part of an insect body known as, I give you 4 options. The first one is the head, abdomen, thorax and stomach. So the middle one I have been giving you information and you're not paying attention to me. If you do not concentrate, not focus, not paying attention, I will kick you out of the class and never make you come back. I will leave your bag in the class. I will sit on your bench and nobody will teach you. I will make you come back to the class and then you will teach it. So I've given you all the information, but some people are not watching my video. This is unfair. But I have a lot of subscribers, views and more, right? Am I right? Yes. So click on my video and check my information about what my dad has saw. He made me saw 3 insects. Yes, 4 insects. The one is a locust, dragonfly, grasshopper, and a butterfly. They're all his dad. They're all his pets. May I know why daddy he has a pet everywhere. First of all, my dad has a pet horse, then pet dog, then a pet black cow, then a pet grasshopper, then a pet dragonfly, then a pet butterfly, and then a pet locust, and then a pet dragon, and then a pet mosquito. That's it. Why are you having so many pets? You just only have to say 1 pet. Okay? So that's enough information. Click to my video and learn some more. Even Shima Shorts, and you see how do I make something beautiful which I made in my dad. Also to learn with your dad or mother. If you have a brother or sister, you can make it with him and her. Okay guys, comment, share and subscribe. Bye. Mwah.